segment. Here's the good, bad and ugly news in the fight against coronavirus. Milind Sharma reports.
First up, bringing to you the good news on COVID-19. Now, wearing a mask is multi-layered and has good fabric quality can protect you against the COVID-19 infection. A study done in Georgia Tech in the US is saying that 86% of the risk is reduced if a person in front of you ejects particles that could be suspended in the air and if he's infected with COVID-19. The risk is minimized up to 96% if everybody around you, whether indoors or outdoors, is wearing a mask properly, which means covering the nose and the chin. This will help people understand that masking is important, and also maintaining social distancing will help fight the COVID-19 virus. Bad news on COVID-19 is the unavailability of Favipiravir or FabiFlu that is being manufactured by the Indian companies in the national capital. For the last 10 days, the national capital has been seeing stocks depleting of FabiFlu, which is a medicine given to COVID-19 infected patients who have mild to moderate symptoms. Unlike Remdesivir, FabiFlu comes in the form of a tablet and is now in severe short supply in the national capital. This is the ugly side to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the Lancet, which is an eminent medical journal, says that the COVID-19 virus is indeed airborne. 10 such streams of evidences have been submitted by researchers and scientists that say that the COVID-19 particles are suspended in the air for at least 3 hours. This also negates another study that has been done on whether COVID-19 spreads through touching surfaces that have been touched by an infected person. More data needs to be looked at. This is a preprint study that has been published in the Lancet, but certainly raises many questions about how one can protect oneself if the virus is now airborne. And there's evidence to show that the particles are suspended around us.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of The Bulletin. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. And remember that for all the updates you need to know on the coronavirus crisis and for much more, you can log on to our website, indiatoday.in. You can also download the India Today app for constant updates. Thank you again for watching.